Okay, so the last step after you have rotated your design, decided which supports you're going to be using, and everything is queued, you can go ahead and slice it. And once you slice it, you will see that there's an option to queue. Next to the queue are these three little dots. If you click on those three dots and you click to save to library, we actually have a folder for planters. So you can click on planters and you can save it there. What that will do is it'll allow me to access the file. So when I go to the library, I can see your files, and then I can print them straight from there. So I've added this one twice, but you can see basically that way you can tell me, oh, mine is ready to print, and then I will just print from here, avoiding having to use the USBs. So hope that makes sense, and good luck with your final print.